Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Plus for free, unlimited. Now, as you can see right here, ChatGPT Plus is going to be for the paid model if you're using the free version of ChatGPT, right? And that costs actually $20 per month for personal uses, and for business, around $20 per month. Now, that is actually a huge bill for every monthly if you're just a student, all right? So I'm going to give you some tips here. First, go to browser or any browser you have. I'm using Google. I'm going to type in here pieces for developers. Now, the first link right here should be the one you should be going to, and this is how it should look like. Now, with this one, you can download this application. Take note, this is a third-party application. You can download via Windows, macOS, or Linux. Now, in here, this is actually a code where you can just install an application, and this is how it should look like. This is the interface, as you can see right here. And then, just simply click on the lower section on the models and look for ChatGPT or OpenAI. You're going to see plus there, and you'll be good to go. As you can see right here, just use this one. Only make sure that always select on cloud. Do not select on device, select on cloud to keep your operating system running smoothly. Again, guys, if you logged in and download this application, click the lower left option to choose the OpenAI GPT Plus, and you'll be good to go. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.